Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem codes in Lands of Jail. Alright, let's begin. First, open Lands of Jail and make sure you have completed the tutorial. You also need to level up your warden to a sufficient level because the redeem option will not appear for new accounts. Once you are inside the main game screen, look at the top left corner to confirm your profile is unlocked. Next, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Redeem Code option and select it. This will open the redemption screen. Now enter an active and valid redeem code in the text field. Make sure the code is typed correctly, including capital letters if required. After entering the code, tap on the Redeem button. If the code is valid, the rewards will be sent directly to your account. You can check your inventory or mailbox to confirm the rewards have been added. This process works the same way on both iOS and Android versions of Lands of Jail. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Lands of Jail. That's it for this video. Thanks.